First fish for Yang. This little guy. Are you on too? Ooh, Yang got one too. Oh, big guy, big guy. Sorry, Yang, I'm gonna get mine. Oh, that's a 5-pounder, guy. You got yours? Yang, look at my piece. Wow. It's gotta be a 5. It's gotta be a 5-pounder. That's gotta be a 5-pounder. You got yours? You know how to use it now? Yang on the net rig. Oh, dang, that's gotta be my 5-pounder.
5 pounds?
Maybe. Come on, break 5 pounds. Yeah, 5'2". 5'2".
5'2".
Yeah. 5-pounder, my first 5-pounder this year. You gonna take a picture? Good. Alright, Mr. 5-pounder. Adios, amigo. Adios. I told you you'll catch every fish, right? Good job. Yang on the net rig. I told you you'll catch every fish. Look up pinching the net. Hey, got you in the wall. Yeah. Net, nah. Net. I got a fish, but he's stuck behind me. Ready? Put the net halfway in the water. Okay. Now just bring the head up. Alright, good job. I got me a net girl. Okay, tail up in. Thank you. Alright. ตึ้งไข่เนื้อไปเหลืองจินนอนเลย
จังบ่ชัวร์
You sleeping on me? There you go.
Yeah, sleeping on
3-pounder.
Nice.
2.5, 3-pounder. I just seen you're awake. Cause I check up awake, so. Just testing you. See if you're ready. Ready for the big one. Ooh, I caught a pumpkin seed. Yeah. Yeah, net. Look at this. Sunny. Purple and orange. Super shallow water. About 2 feet. Net. Wakey, wakey. And she walk away. Another net rig fish. Too late, man.